I think we all know somebody. We all know somebody that made a bad choice, that made a bad decision, was in the wrong place at the wrong time with the wrong people. And 80% of the time, we've all found ourselves in that same situation. Reality is that people that we're about to connect with, they are looking for the same opportunities to be able to learn, to be able to have the resources, to be able to heal, to be able to connect to people who care, and connect to their lives and help them to see themselves differently, and to be able to believe that there's a future outside of their current situation.
The truth of the matter is, if you would have asked me 4 or 5 years ago that I would be inside the correctional facilities or teaching formerly incarcerated, I probably wouldn't have believed you. But as we know, people lead the people, and having an opportunity to train and coach and develop executives all across the country, Fortune 500 companies, I was actually asked to do some training for our local court system. But again, credit, you can make it what you want. That's the beautiful thing about it. I too thought that my credit is what it is. The misconception is that credit and the credit reporting agencies or the bureaus are ran by the government, and that's not true. You can only remove items from your credit report that are inaccurate or unverifiable. Those are the two things that you can remove from your credit profile. Here, our goal is to give you some strategies that you can do now so when you walk out these doors, you're in a better position. I got a guy right now coming off a 10-year bid in Mississippi. He's walking out in 3 months. He's got $300,000 he's walking out to because he's been studying his credit profile. He's been correcting things while he's been locked up. So when he walk out those doors, he can go and get into anything he want to get into.
My name is Quay Sims. I was going through a lot before I came here, and the stuff that I feel like is gonna change and it's gonna better me, it gave me a whole different type of mindset of being a leader. I'm already a part of a business. I know that I'm a business, but before I started this, I didn't know how serious I could be if I really put my mind into it. I know for a fact that I can be this. Like I can be bigger than not only the business, but I can be bigger than any obstacle that come my way, and Clean taught me that, honestly.
My name is Jonathan Fugit. I'm from Lime, Ohio. I'm due to leave here in about 2 weeks from today. And I learned that it's okay to be without people you love. If they're an obstacle, that you gotta love them from a distance. Because the only way I can help them is if I help myself first. And I learned that through Clean. Coach Smith has told me, like, man, we got a spot for you right here on the team. And he don't know the loyalty that comes with embracing that from me, because today I'm a lot of things, but I'm not a thing of the past. I'm a person of the present and the future, and that's going to be with Clean.